The Zanetti press aids us in conditioning the elbow and shoulder to produce force while maintaining full elbow extension, i.e. straight arms. Straight arm movements are what make calisthenics what we know and love. And the Zanetti press is an exercise that allows us to condition our connective tissue at a more manageable intensity than the typical isometric holds associated with calisthenics. And the setup for the Zanetti press is very simple. Lay on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand, and quick note here, it's really important that when you try this out for the first time, you use really light dumbbells and you really don't want any temptation to bend the arms during this exercise. Create this hollow body shape and hold the dumbbells out in front of you as if you're trying to push them as far away from your head as possible. From here, lower the dumbbells down slowly and then return back to that starting position and go again for reps. If you find that your core gives out before your arms and shoulders do, we can regress the Zanetti press with a tuck variation, holding to all the same cues that we just mentioned and aim to slowly extend the legs over time. And there are a couple of mistakes that we want to avoid if we want to maximize the benefits of the Zanetti press. We need to keep the arms straight. The Zanetti press is first and foremost a straight arm conditioning exercise. So if you struggle to do this with completely straight arms, no shame, lower the weight and just keep those elbow pits and palms facing upwards. In that top position, we're looking for full scapular protraction. This essentially mimics the planche position, just inverted. And as we lower down, don't feel you need to maintain this protraction. In fact, that bottom position should mimic the inverse of a back lever with that big stretch on the chest. It's this moving in and out of these two positions that make the Zanetti press such a well-rounded exercise of various calisthenic skills. And the fact that it's accessible for beginners is just an even bigger bonus. Crowd, use the Zanetti press to bolster your calisthenic skill work. And if you want to understand whether biceps are particularly integral to calisthenic skill work, then check this video out right here.